Good afternoon, everyone. My name is TJ Muehleman. I'm founder and CEO of Standard Co. And this is the first in a series of videos we're calling Data is Awesome, but Managing Data Still Sucks. So I've been building data platforms for over 20 years. And people would come to me when I first started building data platforms with data in all kinds of wacky formats. PDFs, Excel spreadsheets that were next to impossible to understand, CSVs built in the 70s. And what they wanted us to do was organize that data, present it in a way that made sense and helped tell a story. Now, this is before data visualization platforms existed. This was before the cloud existed. So things were real tough. But fortunately, I have great news for you. Here we are in 2021, and things still suck. Managing data is still impossible. I still get data in PDFs, in really difficult to understand Excel spreadsheets, in CSVs that were built in the 90s. Hell, I recently got data on a DVD. What am I supposed to do with a DVD? Good news is we were able to get data off of there and turn it into something useful. I will say that data visualization platforms have really leapfrogged data management platforms. Painting a picture that looks like this, or like this, or even like this has become a lot simpler. With tools like Power BI, Tableau, Metabase, you can tell a story of electoral politics or pandemic response, or even all the places near you that serve nachos. It's become simple to do that. Managing data is still a dumpster fire. How do I get data into a structured format that is both consumable and interoperable with other systems without paying a developer to do it for me? That is still difficult, but we have good news. We've spent the last 8 years working with some of the largest organizations in the world to help them standardize their data. And we've learned enough to create a platform called Standard Data. There are three main components to Standard Data. We first make it easy to collect data, regardless of where you are in the world, whether you're in a remote village in Kenya or a gelato shop in downtown Atlanta. We've made it easy to find problems in your data, to structure your data, to make your data consumable by other platforms through our data management suite. And last but not least, we have integrations with Power BI, Metabase, Tableau to make it easy to find trends, to paint a picture of what's going on with your data. We make it easy to do more with data. So if you're interested in this, you found this video compelling, you like my voice, please follow along, like, subscribe, and share this video. And over the next several months, we'll tell you more about standard data and what's to come. Thank you so much.